So we're back with the cooking part of the episode, which is my favorite, considering I love to eat. And I'm with Alligga Flaxseed. What are we cooking today?
Making a curry raisin couscous today with sautéed prawns.
Sounds amazing. So what are we gonna do?
So what we've got in the bowl is we've got couscous and golden raisins.
Okay.
We have some onions, garlic, flax oil, and our curry powder that we sautéed.
So couscous and raisins here.
Yes.
And it hasn't been cooked.
Hasn't been
Here you
cooked.
have your stock.
Boiling stock with flavoring.
Perfect.
Then it goes right in.
Okay, that's simple.
Very simple.
How much flax oil is in this particular recipe?
Got about a quarter cup of flax oil in this recipe.
Which is substantial considering, right?
Exactly, it's a good amount of oil to use.
Am I covering this up or?
We are going to cover that up with some saran wrap.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay.
And then I will cut some kale.
Good, okay. Good.
So basically any kale stalk has a long hard stem down the middle.
Yes.
I like to remove the leaves from that stem by folding the leaves down, taking a sharp knife and just running it along the spine. So that will remove the stem like that.
If you don't, it's a very, very hard part of the kale.
It's a very tough part of the kale to eat. This is great in juice.
Oh, okay. I usually throw it away, so there you go.
Throw it in a juicer. And then from there, I'll roll the leaf up until it's tightly compact.
You too can cook like a chef.
And then just take your knife and run it through it really fine.
Now, kale is obviously a very popular vegetable nowadays. It's so good for you. I think a lot of people are intimidated by cooking with kale because it can have a bit of a sharp taste. It can be hard to chew, but again, you're cutting it nice and...
That's right. By cutting it this fine, you can actually just throw it into a coleslaw, use it as a salad green. It gets nice and tender. You know, kale can be eaten raw. It's obviously, I like it cooked. I like it sautéed in just a bit of the flax oil, a bit of garlic, and a bit of salt.
I don't mind it in a salad raw, but it's nice when it's a vinaigrette because it does help soften it up as well.
That's right, yeah, that's right.
Okay.
We've got that there, and then we can plate if you'd like.
Okay, so let's go to this part here.
So that will cook for about, we can add the kale into that actually if you want to open that up a little bit. Yeah.
In it goes.
In it
the
goes.
Smells amazing.
There we go.
So again, the spices are what in this particular dish?
It's just a nice yellow Madras curry blend. So while that steeps, we'll get a pan going, flax oil and butter and prawns.
Wonderful. So you're gonna heat those up, let it steep for the 10 minutes. So Alligga Flaxseed oil is great for a number of reasons. You like it because it's as a chef, you can actually cook with it.
That's right, it's a high smoke point cooking oil. So as a chef, I'm not worried about getting the oil to the point of destroying its nutrients. You know, I am still able to get good sears with it. To do the prawns, I did add butter to the oil just to gently coat that flavor of the prawns that we like with butter. Yeah, that's right.
Talk about, look at this, magic of TV. Here it is done.
Yes. And so once your couscous is done steeping, what you're gonna wanna do is you do take a spoon and you just gently fluff it up. Yes.
People think that you have to cook couscous on stovetop.
Not at all, no. I like to do, it's about 1 to 1 1/4 in terms of 1 part couscous, 1 1/4 parts boiling stock, water, whatever your flavoring liquid will be. Pour it over, cover it with saran wrap, let it sit for I'd say about 10 minutes, and then fluff it up. And the good thing about this recipe is that it's actually great hot or as a cold salad.
Talk about some of the benefits of eating flax oil. Let's talk about some.
So healthy for us. It's omega-3s that our body doesn't naturally produce. We need them for cell regeneration, for glowing skin, shiny hair. Great for reduction of inflammation in our joints and in our organs. And it helps clean us out, if you will. You know, it removes bad cholesterol. It's such a good essential fatty acid. Flax oil.
Your blood sugars, I think a lot of people don't realize, you know, doctors will tell you to increase your omegas when you're pregnant, and nowadays with fish in the oceans and contamination, we're scared to do that.
That's right.
This is a great alternative. Stabilizes.
Great sustainable alternative. You know, it is plant-based, and with the Alligga brand, you're getting a certified non-GMO product as well.
So Alana, like literally it takes 10 minutes to steep this in the stock. It's done. What do we do next?
So it's time to plate.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Plate for you.
Perfect.
While you plate the couscous, I had some prawn sautéing here and a bit of flax oil and butter.
Yum.
And we're gonna serve them together.
Alana, do you like to serve this with the couscous warm or cold?
I do like the couscous warm if I'm serving it as an entree,
Okay.
But the next day cold is fantastic.
I love taking couscous the next day and doing a vinaigrette of an oil and vinegar, the flax oil, some balsamic vinegar, maybe a little bit of garlic, shake it up, pour it on top. It's Couscous can go on for days.
Such a nice quick snack.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Perfect. For more information on Alana's recipes, and you have lots of them, please go to alligga.com or to our website. Chef Alana Peckham, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.